Let's start with question number 6 of exercise 4.3. In that problem, if the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units, and also read from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units and 0 units. So in that problem you may observe it that work done we have to find in terms of distance covered, and we are given that this work done is directly proportional to the distance. So I considered that work as y. So let work done be y units, and this distance we considered as x, the distance traveled be x units. Therefore, according to problem, this work done is directly proportional to distance traveled. So this you may rewrite as in terms of these two variables y and x, like y proportional to x, and as this sign of proportionality is removed, so it becomes y equals to constant k times of x, where obviously k is a constant, and this constant is very similar to the relation what you studied in physics, that work done equals to force into distance. So if this is compared to y equal to kx, where y is work done and x is distance, so obviously this constant k will be treated as force F. After all, that's the required relation in terms of two variable y and x to express this information. Now we have to draw its graph, taking the constant force as 5 unit. So as we discussed earlier, this constant k is nothing but the force F. So this time we are given that constant force k equals to 5 unit. Therefore, this relation y equal to kx becomes work done y equals to k5 distance traveled x. Now we have to draw the graph of this relation y equal to 5x. So again we prefer to find y for different values of x. And remember that you may use any value of x as per your own choice. I used x minus 1, for which y becomes 5 into minus 1 equals to minus 5. So first solution of that linear equation is x minus 1 y minus 5. I used second value like plus 1, for which y becomes 5 into 1. This equals to 5 ones are 5. Therefore second solution is 1 comma 5. For third solution I used x as minus 2 and y becomes 5 into x minus 2. So this equals to plus minus minus 5 2s are 10. So that third solution is x minus 2 and y minus 10. As we use x minus 2, so y becomes 5 into minus 2. So this is plus minus minus 5 2s are 10. So that third solution is minus 2 comma minus 10. Let's plot these solution on the Cartesian plane in form of some points. So first is minus 1 comma minus 5. Minus 1 comma minus 5. So this point will be here. Point A having coordinate minus 1 comma minus 5. And second one is plus 1 comma plus 5. So plus 1 plus 5. It will be here. Point B having coordinate plus 1 comma plus 5. And third is minus 2 comma minus 10. Minus 2 minus 10. So it is here. That's the third point C having coordinate minus 2 comma minus 10. And if we join these 3 points, so that graph obtained will be a straight line. And remember that this graph you have to draw very carefully using ruler only, not freehandly. That's the required graph of linear equation y equal to 5x. Thereafter we have to find the work done. We have to find the work done when distance traveled by the body is 2 units and 0 units. Here you may observe this y. Y is the coordinate used for work done. So along this vertical axis we are representing work. And this x is used for distance traveled. So along this horizontal x-axis, distance is measured. Distance traveled is measured. So let's check what could be the work when distance is 2 unit and 0 unit. So as if distance we take 2 unit. So from that plus 2 units of distance we draw a perpendicular on x-axis. And let's check the point where it meets that graph of y equal to 5x. So it actually meets here at that point. So at that point the work done y we found 10. So you may declare that work is 10 units when distance is taken 2 units. Let's check the work when distance we taken 0 units. As you may observe that this equation y equal to 5x is of the form y equal to kx. And you have studied it before that graph of the equation of the form y equal to kx is a straight line which passes through origin always. So yes, the graph of this linear equation y equal to 5x also passes through the origin. So that's the point where both the coordinate x and y are found 0. It means the x coordinate distance is 0 and y coordinate work is 0 as well. That's why if we read from the graph of equation y equal to 5x, so as if distance is taken 0, so work done will be 0 as well. Thus, from the graph we may declare that first, work done y is 10 units when distance is taken as 2 units, and second, it is observed as 0 when distance traveled is taken as 0. That's it. And remember that the same result you could find if you use this distance 2 units and 0 units in the relation y equal to 5x as well. Like if distance x you use 2, so 5 2s are 10. That's why work done becomes 10. If you use distance traveled 0, so 5 into 0 is 0. That's why work done becomes 0.